cheating, cheating, cheating. Be disappointed with, be disappointed with, be disappointed with. Fitting with, fitting with, fitting with. Bully, bully, bully. Oversleep, oversleep, oversleep. Skip lessons, skip lessons, skip lessons. Miss lessons, miss lessons, miss lessons. Cope with, cope with, cope with. Not a bed of roses, not a bed of roses, not a bed of roses. An uphill struggle, an uphill struggle, an uphill struggle. A hard nut to crack, a hard nut to crack, a hard nut to crack. Dead easy, dead easy, dead easy. Child's play, child's play, child's play. A piece of cake, a piece of cake, a piece of cake. Take, sit, have an exam. Take, sit, have an exam. Take, sit, have an exam. Pass an exam, pass an exam, pass an exam. Fail an exam, fail an exam, fail an exam.